Hello, friends. Are you ready to learn more about the common house sparrow? No doubt you already know it's a very ordinary bird, but we've prepared 10 interesting facts about this bird you probably didn't know. Let's get started. The sparrow is a familiar bird that belongs to the passerine family. This species appears almost everywhere in the world, in both cities and rural areas, especially in the countryside during rice harvest season. Today, sparrows are one of the most widely distributed wild birds on Earth. Common name, sparrow, house sparrow. Scientific name, Passer domesticus. Order, Passeriformes. Diet, omnivore. Weight, under 50 gr, usually between 24–39.5 gr. Size, about 16 centimeter. Value, raised as food or sold for ceremonial release. Conservation status, under protection. Now let's take a closer look at the sparrows themselves. They are small songbirds with plump, stocky bodies covered in brown, black, and white feathers, short rounded wings, a round head, a short tail, and a cone-shaped sturdy beak. Males and females can be distinguished by their plumage. Males have reddish-brown feathers on their backs and a black bib, while females are brown with streaks. Females are usually smaller than males. In addition to their physical characteristics, sparrows exhibit certain behaviors and have particular needs for survival. For example, when danger approaches, sparrows can fly very fast, up to 50 kilometers per hour, to escape predators such as hawks, cats, dogs, owls, foxes, snakes, birds of prey, and carnivorous mammals. They build their nests in various locations, such as under rooftops, bridges, in tree cavities, or even on hanging power lines. During the breeding season, male sparrows often build several nests in succession to attract a mate. Typically, a male will build a nest alone and attract females to it. However, sparrows sometimes engage in extra-pair mating, and females may lay eggs in another male's nest, occasionally competing with other females by removing their eggs. Regarding their diet, sparrows mainly eat caterpillars and small insects. However, although they eat many insects, sparrows are actually omnivores. Their diet changes when they live near humans. Besides insects, they also eat seeds, berries, and fruits. During the breeding season, sparrows work hard to catch caterpillars to feed their chicks. An interesting fact is that sparrows can store food in their crops and regurgitate it later to re-swallow, which helps them save energy and extract more nutrients. Now let's talk about breeding. Sparrows reproduce in spring and summer when the weather is warm and insects are abundant. A female typically lays 3 to 5 eggs per clutch, which hatch after 12–15 days of incubation. Both parents share responsibility for incubating and feeding the chicks. They bring food, insects, and directly feed it to their young. After about 15 days, sparrow chicks can leave the nest and fly on their own. Let's move on to the next point. Have you ever wondered why sparrow chicks eat caterpillars? Studies show that sparrow chicks grow very quickly because of their high metabolism. Therefore, they need nutrient-rich food to meet their daily needs. Insects, especially caterpillars, are high in protein, making them ideal for fattening up young sparrows. In addition, sparrow chicks are too small and their stomachs too weak to grind hard seeds or grains. That is why, although adult sparrows eat grains, during the chick rearing period, they switch to protein-rich animal food. The next point may be shocking to some of you. Do you want to know how people catch sparrows? There are many ways to catch sparrows, such as using air rifles, shotguns, or simple homemade net traps that can capture hundreds at once. To make such a trap, people use 2 nets framed together with ropes and bamboo sticks, hooks, and a long nylon cord. Then, they place 2 decoy sparrows tied near a stone and use a sound device to play sparrow calls. When flocks of sparrows hear the call and fly down, the trapper pulls the cord, causing the nets to fall and capture dozens or even hundreds of sparrows. Some hunters even set up machines to automatically record the cries of sparrow chicks in distress, tricking adult birds into returning to the nest where they are captured. Now let's share some other interesting facts about these birds. Did you know that sparrows eat grains like rice and corn, but they feed their chicks insects such as caterpillars? This is done because sparrows typically lay their eggs in trees or buildings far from agricultural fields where there are few grains. And since their chicks cannot go out to look for food, adult sparrows must bring it to them. Caterpillars are rich in protein and fat, providing the necessary nutrition for the growth and development of chicks. Did you know that sparrows are the only birds with a day named after them? World Sparrow Day, WSD, is celebrated every year on March 20th. It is an annual event aimed at raising awareness about the importance of sparrows in our ecosystem and the threats they face. WSD was first celebrated in 2003 in India and has since spread to other countries. Do you know how fast sparrows can fly? Sparrows can fly at speeds of 38 kilometers per hour and up to 50 kilometers per hour when escaping predators. This speed allows them to quickly escape from predators such as hawks, owls, cats, and snakes. Did you know that in winter, male sparrows are larger than females? On average, male sparrows weigh 15% more than females, which helps them survive the winter better. However, during the breeding season, females become larger, which helps them produce more eggs and better care for their chicks. Did you know that genetic studies show extra pair paternity in sparrows? This means that while most chicks are fathered by the nesting male, a small percentage are sired by another male. According to folklore, drinking wine mixed with the blood of a healthy sparrow is believed to boost male vitality. However, there is no scientific evidence to support this claim, and it remains a superstition. Hunting sparrows for this purpose could be harmful to the species, as sparrows are important for insect control and seed dispersal, which helps maintain ecological balance. We hope you enjoyed learning all these interesting facts about sparrows. If so, please leave us a comment below and tell us what else you would like to learn about nature. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.